Hey guys, I'm back with another one, and in today's video, I want to give you my best side hustle ideas where you can make money from home. Because I am constantly being asked, what can I do to make money from home? And I get it because I was there. 3 years ago, I was working a 9 to 5, pregnant with my second child, desperate for a way to quit so I couldn't stay home with my kids. But I also needed a way to make money, and I didn't know what I could do. So I was trying to figure out what I could do from home. And long story short, I was praying about my situation. And one morning I woke up and I know it was the Lord that just said, ask women who work from home, what do they do? How do they get started? How do they do it at home with kids? And most importantly, how much do they earn? So I asked and they answered, and I created a website called Tried and True Mom Jobs for moms like me looking for legitimate ways to make money from home. So I'm gonna be sharing some of those ideas in this video today, just so you guys know what you can do at home. So even if you're not a mom, these ideas can definitely work for you because you'll have more time and have more ability probably to make more money. But these are all ways that you can make money from home with a flexible schedule, working around your schedule. And then at the end, I'm gonna share with you guys how I make money. Because after a year of starting my website and putting a ton of work into it, I was able to make 6 figures the very next year. And I get over 200,000 page views every single month to my website. Like, I can't even believe it. So I'm gonna share that all with you guys, just because if I can do it, I know anybody can. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. All right, let's get to my favorite side hustle ideas I hope that you guys will consider today. All right, so the first one on this list is flipping products. Now, I know this is not for everyone, but there are some people that enjoy doing this, and you can make really good money off of this. One of my side hustle friends, she makes $25 to $50 an hour flipping dressers. She supported herself the last 9 months doing this while in between jobs. Now, what she would do is pick up an older dresser off of Facebook Marketplace for around $50. She would paint it white with this distressed look because people are loving that. She'd stage it, take pictures of it, and repost it right back on Facebook Marketplace and sell it between $150 to $250 just from painting it. For those of you who don't know about Facebook Marketplace, you can buy and sell items locally or have something new shipped from stores. Good dresses are really hard to come by, so this is definitely a good niche to break into. I know because it took us months before we could find one for our new house. Now, if you don't know how to do this, there are enough painting YouTube videos out there on how to learn how to do this for free. Now, my friends Melissa and Rob, they also do this. They flip products for a living, but they take a different approach and just buy and just resell items. Now, if that's what you would rather do instead of like painting and doing stuff like that, I'm gonna put their free workshop in the description below because it's gonna show you how to make money doing this the way that they are doing it. All right, the next one is becoming a loan signing agent. Now, did you know for every house to sell, there needs to be a loan signing agent present at the closing? I know because we recently closed on this house and the loan signing agent overviewed the entire process of us signing the closing documents for our new house. So a loan signing agent, they let the borrower know exactly what to sign and where to sign. And these closings, they only take about an hour and you get paid around $150. So I interviewed John Flick on my website who does this. He's a loan signing agent and he makes $5,000 to $7,000 a month doing this, and he only works 3 days a week. So it was a great interview, and this is a great way to make money on the side. You do have to go to these closings, so it's not technically making money from home. But I just wanted to share this one because a lot of people have never even considered this as a way to make money, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm gonna put that interview in the description below if you guys are interested. Next is becoming a virtual assistant. Now, I did this when I was still working my 9 to 5 because I wanted to see if I could really make money online, and I did. So I found a virtual assistant job on Upwork, and I was only working 5 to 10 hours a week, and it was $25 an hour. So that was like a nice extra $1,000 a month doing little easy work. Now, to get the job, I offered my services for free for the very first week, just so she could decide if I was the right person for her or not, because I had no reviews or credibility to why she should choose me. So I needed a leg up. She accepted my offer and still paid me for my first free week that I offered to her. Now, I did have some marketing experience, and I do believe that helped me get the job. But if you don't have any experience, I definitely recommend checking out my friend Michaela Quinn's training program because she'll help you develop skills and teach you how to get started. Now, virtual assistants, they can do anything from email management, research, social media, website management, and more. and I typically see them earning around $25 or more an hour. So this is just a great way to make money from home on your schedule as long as you can meet your deadlines. Next is becoming a property preservation contractor. Now, I love talking about this one because so many people don't even know that this is a thing. Now, the way it works is that when houses have been abandoned, they are either foreclosed or going through the foreclosure process. And they are now owned by the bank. But the banks, they don't like to get into real estate. They need someone to preserve the property until they can sell it. So as a property preservation contractor, you are responsible for things like landscaping and debris removal. That's it. No major renovation. But the best thing about this job and how you can really do it on the side at home is by outsourcing everything and just doing the admin work at home. That's what my friend Danielle Pierce does, and she earns over $400,000 a year doing this. And she just does the admin work at home, outsources 100% of the work, and she homeschools her 3 kids. So this is definitely something that you guys can do. Now, she teaches others how to do this now. And one of my readers, she took her course and she's now earning $6,000 a month. So this is real, y'all. So I'm going to put her interview in the description below if you guys want to check it out to see how to get started and really what's all involved. Next is selling printables online. Now, I did a video on selling printables because I found out this girl was earning, get this, $8,000 a month selling printables on Etsy. So I did a whole video on how she did it and how you can do it too. And the good thing about doing these printables is that you don't have to be a graphic designer. You just have to have some type of creativity. And the great thing about these is that you create a printable once and can sell it over and over and over again. So I'm gonna put that video in the description below so you guys can check it out to see if this is something that you guys wanna do. The next one is doing voiceover work. Now, if you were blessed with a great voice, you should really think about doing this. Because if you ever listen to audiobooks, this is what you'd be doing. You'd be the voice of an author's book, and you can earn some really good money doing this. There are a lot of factors involved, but you could earn around like $40 an hour. Now, I wrote a very detailed article that shows you the process and how to get started step by step. So I'm gonna put that in the description below if this is something that you guys want to consider. Next is becoming a bookkeeper. Now, bookkeepers, they record financial transactions for business owners. Now, I'm a business owner and I could outsource my bookkeeping so I could just focus on more areas of my business. But honestly, I don't have many expenses at all and it doesn't take me long to do. But pretty much every other business owner I know, they outsource their bookkeeping, and that could be to you. This is something business owners, they need done only just once a month. And I typically see bookkeepers charging $300 a month for their services. My accountant, their bookkeeping fee is $900 a month, which is insane. But I mean, it's just the beauty of this job. It's not time consuming and you can earn a nice amount of money on the side. I interviewed a mom who has 9 kids earning $2,000 a month on the side. So this is a great way to make money at home on the side on your own schedule. And I'm gonna put that interview in the description below so you guys can check it out to see if this is something you wanna do. Next is becoming a proofreader. So if you're that type of person that is always catching spelling errors or grammar mistakes, this is definitely something that you should consider. Now, there are many bloggers like me or businesses coming up with content every single day, and they need a second pair of eyes before they hit publish. I interviewed a mom on my website, and she earns $3,000 a month doing this. She took Caitlin Powell's course that helped her get started, and Caitlin she's the free workshop if you guys are interested in this, just to show you all of what's all involved, how to get started, and just things like that. So I'm gonna put her free workshop in the description below so you guys can check that out to see if this is something you wanna do. Next is research studies. Now, I did one of these and they are super easy and they have studies that will pay you up to $400 and that could just be for 1 hour. Now, I only recommend 2 companies that do this and I'm gonna put the links in the description below. And just so you guys know, my readers are constantly getting matched and that's why I keep recommending these 2 sites. So you just make money simply by giving your opinion. It's one of the best ways to make money from home, but it's just not as frequent. This is definitely something to just do every now and then. So just something to check out, just another way to make money from home, so why not? Last but not least, we can talk about what I do, which is my favorite side hustle to make money from home, and it's blogging and now YouTube. So what I do is I write helpful articles that people are searching for, and I write them in a way that will show up on Google. So when people are searching for different things on Google, my articles show up depending on what they're searching for. Same thing with YouTube. I figure out how to find out what people are searching for. I do a video on it, and then eventually I'm going to end up in the search results. When you are stuck in the search results, that is gold because that's how you can get constant traffic to your site and constant traffic to your videos. And that is how I constantly make money, because I make money from ads. So when people are watching my videos or reading my articles, I make money from that. You see, when someone is just reading my article and they pass an ad, that is known as an ad impression, and I make money from that. I just started this YouTube channel a year ago, and I started in March. And now, for the last 6 months, I've been earning a consistent $2,000 a month in just ad revenue. I make even more in affiliate marketing. So this is just a great way to make money from home by finding out. You have to be strategic on how you do it. And it's all about just understanding what people are searching for and then understanding how to give them what they want. Now, I did a very detailed article on how I make money blogging, so I'm going to put that in the description below. And if you're interested in YouTube, I only recommend this one course by Joseph, who's making over like a killing. He's doing like $20,000 a month in just ad sales. So I want to put his course in the description below if you guys are interested in starting a YouTube channel. And just so you guys know, I want to be very transparent. Every single YouTube video I do, I just want to quit. I'm always constantly stumbling on my words. I'm doing constant editing, and I just want to give up. But if I give up, I'm not going to make any more money. I'm not going to keep making this money. So I just want you guys to know that this stuff is not easy. You will have self-doubt, but you can overcome that. I am living proof of it. I mean, I'm the worst writer I know, but yeah, I make 6 figures a year just writing. Like, it doesn't even make sense. Same thing with YouTube. I'm horrible in front of the camera, or at least I thought I was. So I said I would never start a YouTube channel, but then I interviewed Nate O'Brien on my website, and he's making $30,000 a month in just ad sales. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to get over my fears, because that's not going to make me any money just being scared, saying, well, I'm not good in front of the camera. No, I got over my fears, and I'm here today in front of a camera making over $2,000 a month just from YouTube. So I want you guys to know that you can do anything. If you have a will and you want to do it, you can do it. And you have to overcome this self-doubt that we give ourselves. Why not? Why can't I start a YouTube channel? You know, I might stumble. I might do a lot of editing, but I'm doing it. It's working. And I'm just glad that you guys are here still to hear my little story and me spiel. But I just want you guys to know, all these side hustles I talked about today are something that you can do. You can make money from it. These are proven success models. Make it your own and execute. So that's all I have for you guys today. And I just want to say thank you for watching. I love to know which side hustle that you want to do. Make sure you let me know in the comment section below. If you learned anything, I love if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so you guys don't miss out on the video. All right, thank you for watching. Have a great day.